Well, if you're watching this video, there's a pretty good chance you get a phone call from Fairy May. Good morning, Fairy.
Hi, good morning.
So Fairy's working from over in the Philippines, and so is Arby. And what are we all doing? I'm here in Canada. My name's Jeremiah. And what we do is the little computers about the size of chocolate bars that you put behind screens for doing digital signage. In fact, you can check us out at go to thedigitalsign.com. You want to do that, Arby, now? So thedigitalsign.com. So we started this on Vancouver Island, Victoria, and then it grew to doing installs around the world. And so we needed the infrastructure to go global here. So that's why we have team members, on the other side of the planet. But my reason for wanting to reach out is nothing to do with digital signage. It has to do with a piece of technology that we built for digital signage that I think has broader reaching implications for graphic designers, web developers. And I'll show you why. Go up to training. Click on one of those layouts or pages. We call this a layout. In our language for digital signage, what you're seeing above is the content uploaded into our system. I'm going to scroll up for a minute. And so there's content uploaded, and then we framed it on this page. Scroll down a little bit, Arby, and you'll see that there's a QR code. So Fairy, you want to do the same thing as me? I'm just grabbing my phone, and I'm going to scan that QR code on that page. Okay, I scanned it, and once I, click, I get this thing that is like a remote control. So I click on images, and let's go through the content. Now, by the way, this is an alpha. If it ever blacks out, what you want to do is under controls, you want to refresh the page. So check it out. I'm refreshing the content inside that iframe live. So I'm going to click on image 2, 3, 4. Got it? Okay, Fairy, you want to change a couple of pictures too?
Yep.
Okay, so what would you use this technology for? Well, you could take any content that you want to give show and tell, and you could drop it directly into your own site with your own branding. I use this thing myself for doing show and tell of digital signage. I just tell people, hey, go to this website. Okay, you can see I'm going to give you a picture, right? So I'm changing the content image by image live, and so is Fairy on the other side of the planet.
Yep.
So now this is where it gets mind-blowing. Check this out. So I'm going to take it from pictures to adjust. Okay, this is a little more advanced, but this is basically, I'm going to move the picture over, right? So I'm going to take a layer there inside the page and move it down. So we can do live real-time moving, kind of morphing of content while the customer is watching it. And the thought is this could be used for graphic designers to give customers live show and tell while you're doing stuff. So I'm going to switch from images there to logo. So I'm switching to another item. It's just, so we want to play. We want to introduce this to graphic designers. I'm not looking for money here. This is just to play with the system and see where it goes of being used for giving show and tell live directly on websites. So you have time to come chat with us. We're here in Zoom, and we like to speak with you and just, provide the technology if you're interested in playing with it. Thanks for your time.